Thanks to our advanced Imperium controller, one-pass and multi-pass modes work seamlessly together in a single system. Picture a peak moment. Early morning at a hotel. No problem. Imperium instantly switches to one-pass mode. Cold water flows through the plate heat exchanger and is heated to the perfect temperature in a single pass. Quick, direct and plenty of hot water, right when you need it. Once the rush is over, Imperium automatically switches back to multi-pass mode. In this energy-efficient setting, the water is gradually heated as it passes through the exchanger multiple times. This uses less energy and provides a more economical solution. By intelligently switching between these two modes, Imperium always delivers reliable hot water comfort, high performance and capacity, maximum efficiency. Smart switching between comfort and efficiency. That's the power of Imperium.